Well, snow totals continue to grow in parts of southeastern Kentucky. Chris Hall of 606 Storm Chasing has spent the better part of today checking out the conditions there. This winter storm has
Storm Chaser Chris Hall here
already forced most
56 from Hazard, Kentucky. Snow falling yet again here in Hazard. Already received 4.5, 5 inches of snow, especially on the northern side of the county. Snow is continuing to fall, expecting another inch to 3 inches. As you can see behind me, roads are continuing to deteriorate, especially under this new band of snow. And we're expecting traffic delays all throughout the evening and night, especially whenever the temperatures drop even more. Roads are going to get a little icy, especially with all the slush that has accumulated on the roadways. So if you don't have to be out this evening and into the overnight, please stay home. Let road crews try to clear the roads off the best that they can. Like right now, they're priority A, main roads, so they're just clearing the main roads right now, trying to keep those clear, and they will get to the side roads eventually. But as of right now, they are prioritizing areas A, which is the main roads here in Hazard. But that's all I have for now. We'll report back later on. This is 606 Storm Chaser Chris Hall for Fox 56 News.
All right, thank you, Chris.